Starting out in generative AI art can be an exciting journey. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Learn the basics. Understand the fundamentals of AI and machine learning, as well as the specific tools you're interested in, like DALL-E, GPT-3, etc. 2. Experiment with different styles and techniques. Play around with various prompts and settings. This will help you understand how slight changes can significantly alter the outcomes. 3. Stay creative with prompts. Your input prompts are crucial. Be descriptive and imaginative. The more specific you are, the more unique your results will be. 4. Understand the limitations. Every tool has its limitations. Familiarize yourself with what your chosen AI can and can't do. 5. Follow ethical guidelines. Be aware of the ethical implications, such as copyright and consent issues, when creating and sharing AI-generated art. 6. Join communities. Engage with online forums or social media groups focused on generative AI art. This is a great way to learn from others and stay updated on new developments. 7. Keep learning. The field of AI is rapidly evolving. Stay curious and continue learning about new tools, techniques, and best practices. 8. Practice regularly. Like any art form, practice is key. The more you use these tools, the better you'll understand how to achieve the results you want. 9. Explore diverse applications. Don't limit yourself to one type of art. Generative AI can create everything from visual art to music and poetry. 10. Have fun. Most importantly, enjoy the process of creating and discovering what generative AI art can do. It's a space where art and technology meet in the most creative ways.